Hello Sid, can you repair the damage to my motorbike?
Hello Chu, yes I can. What damage happened to your motorbike?
I don't know why suddenly my motorbike won't start and my motorbike also has no power.
It seems like the damage to the motorbike is in the battery and air filter. Okay, I will check and repair the motorbike first. Maybe the repair will take an hour. You can wait a moment. Excuse me sir, I have repaired your motorbike, please to check.
Okay, thank you sir. What is the total cost repairing the motorbike?
The total repair price is 130,000 rupiah.
Okay, here's the money. Thank you for repairing my motorbike.
You're welcome.
Ketawa kalian, pikir lucu, ya? Hah? aduh, kacau kali. Punten, mamang.
Ganteng ya saya, ganteng guys, ganteng, jangan sempat sebrek.
Oke. Bye, have a great time.